Okay, today I want to show something interesting about the Asian. Why last time I got a ton of rejection application. I think it's that the Asian, Asian to fill out all my application and reject my application, right? So I jump into the bit of the Asian and I use open source, yeah, um, OpenClaw to build the Asian, right? The Asian can do the same the data analytic engineering doing. In any business company they always request, okay, any engineering, okay, data analytics, we can do the query KPI report, do the Excel, and then send to the email they need it. So this job the agent can do that. Okay, the manager can type in the chat like WhatsApp or Telegram or Slack or Team or anything. Okay, for example, they ask, okay, do KPI report for 2 weeks to the email. The agent can do that, right? So it's very easy, right? So right here, my agent right now, uh, my agent right now, they track to the they connect to the WhatsApp, okay, my phone number and the Telegram, okay, my Telegram. So whatever any request from the WhatsApp and Telegram, they connect to my agent and do the job, right? So for example, for the WhatsApp right here, I use the WhatsApp, right? Whatever I type in hello, for example, hello thing, how they send to my, they send a message to my agent and they reply back to me. Similar for the Telegram too. It's a bot, right? I say hello, and they also send to my agent, and it's reply back to my my Telegram. So here I prove is through the WhatsApp, because my agent they connect to the WhatsApp and Telegram, right? So go back to the job. For example, the data analytic. For example, the manager requested, okay, email the KPI report for 2 week, okay, to week two, to email, for example, SB to go on. Okay, after I type in, I send it, it's come them to my agent and they do KPI, Excel query and send to my email. Okay, and you see it's already sent and they send to my agent, right? Wait a little bit and they wait, right? And then you see they're already say send to the email ready, and we go to the and you see from here your agent then so get my question and they say send, and you say here, you see they already done the job, right? And see, okay, let's use they got the inbound and outbound, the phone number, and then I show you the results on how they. Here you see I got the email KPI report and I got the report, right? So very quickly, so right here I will give you another example. I use the Telegram. I say email, okay, KPI report for, I mean, 3-4 days to email, this email. Yeah, this is a Telegram bot. So I just type in the request and send. You see, it is say okay, Thai is auto processing right now, automatically processing right now, and you see they say send or just email, and into the Asian, then so get that request to email send, right? And they go to open AI model and to do the structure, and we go to the email and to see it's come or not. You see, the email already come to right here, right? For 4 days, right? And the KPI report already come. So basically, that job can do the agent. So besides, that's the small concept. So I can do whatever we want. Okay, we can do the IoT, control IoT, right? Or we can do any the business stuff.